Alright, I just experienced a cancellation after getting to the location. It was a Subway. Customer ordered. And then I walked in, wanted the order, and they said, well, we can't make it. We don't have the meat that he wants. So, great. So I had to call him, call the customer. He picked right up, and he says they don't have the meat. He says, oh, I don't want it then. I'll call DoorDash and cancel. I'm like, great. So you're gonna have those. Thank God I was 100 yards away from here. At least I wasn't 4 or 5 miles away from here. Well, you can't be that far away anyway. You can only be, I think it's like a 2 mile range. Then you'll be back in your, picking it up. So, you're gonna have that. What I was able to do, I was able to push down on there, having an issue, and then you'll be able to push that, and then it'll take you right to support, and then punch 5, and it'll take you to emergency customer support, because you're in the middle of a pickup. And very helpful. It's nice to know that you have you can be talking to somebody within 2 minutes, and then having that taken care of. I'm not sure. He said something about we're gonna credit you with 50% of that delivery. I don't know what it is. I don't know how they do it, especially when the customer cancels. So I don't know how the system works, but I guess you're going to be compensated for half of the delivery of whatever the delivery was going to be. So they're splitting it, I guess. I don't know how the heck that works. But I'm covered because he was right. I was talking to the person making it and said we don't have that particular meat, and he was right on the phone, and he said I'm going to call and cancel. So I think what would have been good is, well, while I'm right here, is there anything else that you want, so we don't lose this time. So I think I should have, I could have done that, and I didn't think anything about it. It's just, my mind was like, oh man, now it's canceled. Now what do I do? So now I know. While I'm on the phone with the customer, I said, before we cancel this, is there anything else you want made up? While I'm here. So at least, we're not losing anything, because we're here. There's got to be something else you want at Subway. So anyway, there's another issue, and something else you can expect. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, double share. Catch me on the next Crosby's Transporter with DoorDash.